Our team is developing the Sunrise and Shine alarm system. To start, our team looked into collegiate needs for opportunities for new products. We started off with a wide variety of opportunities, and then we narrowed down our focus to a single opportunity and corresponding product, the light-based alarm system. We then constructed a Gantt chart to determine how long the process will take, as well as to show the critical path. We also developed a customer profile and use case to show who will be using our product and how they will be using it. Based on our customer profile, we selected 6 students to interview regarding our product. And based on the results of those interviews, we determined which product specifications were most important. We also compared our product to a similar product and performed an economic analysis. When we were trying to determine which opportunity we wanted to pursue, we first looked into opportunities in our own lives, specifically in difficulties within our own hobbies, schoolwork, and other activities. With this analysis, we found 7 different opportunities that could be pursued. We selected 3 of the most promising to further develop, the first of which was a beverage thermometer. Unfortunately, this was not economically comparable to other similar products, such as a regular thermometer or a color-changing cup. Our second product that we just tried to develop was a passive heating and cooling system using opening and closing windows. This required us to have much more knowledge than we have available to us, including window shapes, sizes, and how warpage occurs over time in the window frame, making it almost impossible for our team to complete. Our final system was the light-based alarm system, which was technologically capable for our team and economically successful. From that, we developed a Gantt chart. And from this chart, you can see that many of our tasks are along this critical path, meaning that they're dependent on tasks before them. Currently, our project is scheduled to finish on December 9th and has a total time of 45 days. When developing our customer profile, we selected specific attributes of our customer that would lend themselves to being someone who would want a light-based alarm system. The first was he was a heavy sleeper, meaning that he is going to have difficulty waking up anyways. The second is that he is athletic, meaning he's going to commonly be tired and not want to wake up, making waking up even more difficult for him. And the third was being an engineering student, he's likely to have lots and lots of work, also going to be tired, more difficult to wake up. We also gave him attributes that are common among college students, such as being cheap, procrastinating, and participating in many extracurricular activities, just to show that he is very similar to our common college student. In our use case, we considered many possibilities that are common with college students, including roommates and tests, and we included an ideal path for how the product would work, as well as a less than ideal path, but in the end, he still got where he needed to be on time. When we were selecting our customers, we used our customer profile and we tried to find customers that fit it best. Well, Christine here is a graduate student, and so she represents the upper end of college, the collegiate spectrum, and she lives a very active lifestyle, being an avid swimmer, and so she also represents that athletic, tired side. We also selected Logan Shepard. He is a student here at Tech. He's also athletic and active, and he is an engineering student, and he also has had issues in the past waking up to traditional sound-based alarm system. He also has a roommate, which can go to show just how alarm systems can in fact impact roommates, showing that he might be a good candidate for a light-based alarm system. We then took all of the results of our interviews and we determined that there was 6 main important customer needs. These included cost, the quality of the light feature, the ease of use, the reliability, and the having a time display, and the visual aesthetic. Of these, based off of how the customers rated each of these specifications, we gave them a value here, and then we ranked its correlation to each of our design specifications, and that gave us just how important each of our design specifications was, with code functionality being the most important. Then we took each of these design specifications and we gave them units and we gave them marginal and ideal values. The marginal represents it has to at very least get this value, and the ideal is what we're shooting for when we're designing the product. We also assigned a technical difficulty to each of these products, which allows us to show which design specifications we should tackle first, because it incorporates how important each design specification is and how difficult it's going to be to complete. For a similar product, we compared to the wake up light with sunrise simulation alarm clock. This alarm clock slowly turns on lights over a 30-minute period to help the user wake up. Now, this product is approximately $50 and uses an in-system light source. Our product will use an external LED strip as the light source, meaning that if a customer already has one of these LED strips installed, it will mean we can produce it at a reduced cost compared to products like this. Then we performed an economic analysis. We determined the cost of the product parts is about $25, and we could sell it for about $35, which is still $15 less than similar products. We think that based on a $10,000 per year base cost, we would need to sell 1,000 products each year to break even, and anything we sell past that will create profit. Based on the fact that there are approximately 20 million college students, if even only 1.1% of college students are interested, that's still 20,000 college students, and we only need 1,000 a year to break even, showing that this is very easily a profitable venture, especially considering the fact that it's going to be tailored for college students and it's going to be much cheaper than similar products. In conclusion, we looked at different product opportunities and determined which one we wanted to do based off of what technical expertise we had and the economic feasibility. We also constructed a Gantt chart to show what tasks we're going to do and when we're going to do them, and then we made a customer profile and use case to show who and how the product will be used, and then use those to select six interviewers and use the results of those interviews to determine which product specifications were most important. And we determined that our product is indeed quite a profitable venture. Any questions?